Gustafsson to take the face-off to the right of Gustafsson. Gustafsson wins it back to the line. Here's Heinola. He tries a shot. They score! Tipped in front. C.J. Cease on the touch, and the Moose on the board early. Only took a few seconds for the Moose power play to connect. We were wondering if the floodgates might open a little bit for Cease. Well, now he's got goals in back-to-back games. Here's a giveaway. In come the Senators, pass in the front of the net, and a big save by Mikhail Burden. The defender there for the Moose, and now right back the other way. Here's an opportunity, big save by Mikhail Burden. Meyer will try again. Flips it on for Jones. Jones comes up with the puck, gets to the net, goes to the forehand, and a big save. Moose still with just a 1-0 lead. Heinola tries a pass. That one's knocked down. Sokolov in all alone, goes to the forehand. Oh my goodness, what a save by Mikhail Burden as he flashes the leather. Rips that one down. And another one for the ever-increasing highlight reel this season. My goodness. It's into the corner. Meyer on it there. Tries a backhand coming out from in front, and he scores! Cole Meyer, his second of the season, gets the Moose a 2-0 lead with 6:32 to go in the second period. Once again, there's a penalty coming to the Moose, though. Back to the line. Long shot deflected in front, and they score! Olney picked it up, tried to turn around, but his stick lifted. Reinhart back in front, looking for Abramov, and the save made by Burden. And then on the rebound, trying to tuck it on the other side where the Senators lifts it ahead. That one's picked off. Here come the Senators, 2-0 quick pass across. Oh no, another big one from Mikhail Burden as he stones the Senators once again. Around the wall, and it's cleared back out to center ice. It hits Logan Shaw in full flight. He'll peel into the Moose zone, moves it to the middle. A blast from the slot is off of Mikhail Burden and into the netting. Get past all the Belleville Senators. Now the Moose on it again, chipping it ahead, working to the net. They score! Cole Meyer into the empty net, and that will do it. Chalk up the win. The Manitoba Moose have snapped a 4-game slide and pick up their 5th win of the season.